What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm up close and personal today. You see that I'm right up in here. Now the light is shining right on my face and it's making me appear to be a little oilier than I am. Now I have oily skin, but the light is just beaming, so just bear with me. Listen, I promise you I just powdered. I just tried to sponge away the excess, okay, but it's still here. So we gonna get into it. The topic of the day is how you gonna offer me the world and give me a city. You offer me the world, but you give me a city. Let's get into it. Listen, fellas, and I guess females too, whoever, when you're coming at somebody, when you are trying to court someone, when you are trying to put your best foot forward, you are not putting your best foot forward when you offer something, when no one asked you, when you offer something and you make it seem as though you are going to go all out of your way and do bing bada boom, and you just come with a bing. How you going to offer me the world but bring me a city? Now, I am not at all where I want to be in life. But that's okay because I'm moving forward. I'm trying to do better. You know what I'm saying? Listen, get your vision board together, people. I'm talking to myself as well. Get your vision board together. Set goals. Plan. If you haven't noticed, there's not much structure to what I do. Okay? I just do what I want to do. And I'm low-key all over the place, but I'm trying to get it together. You feel me? Now, if someone says to me, yo, Unique, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to actually help you. And I'm going to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Then I'm expecting them to do that. How you just going to bring me A, bruh? How you just going to bring me A? Because here's the thing. I am not where I want to be, but I consider myself to be quite independent. Praise and worship. Thank God. Thank God. I consider myself to be independent, and that's not how it was when I first moved out here to California. I live in Burbank, California. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Okay, shout out to Florida. You see the pattern. I like warm weather. Okay, and I said, you know what? Let me come out here and do what I got to do. Okay, and it was never like me to be a very spontaneous person. I've never just been that chick. And so moving to California was a big step for me. I've been here almost 7 years now. Time really does fly. But, you meet people along the way. I say that I have a lot of associates and a few friends. That's real, okay? And to know me is to know I don't like asking anyone for ish. If it comes down to it and I realize I really need to get something done and I need someone and I'm out of gas, I will then ask someone, and even then, I usually ask, oh, is there something that I can give you? Can I offer you money? It may not be something big, but whatever I can I get you on another day? I will have your back. If you need something, then ask me. That's how I operate. I really do not like to ask people for ish. I remember even when my car was not working. Oh my goodness, I remember it very well. When my car wasn't working, and I don't know anything about cars. So I just knew it wasn't working, and I was like, okay, whatever it is, I can't go and get it fixed and blah, blah, blah. And if somebody says to me, Unique, this is what your car needs, blah, 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 then for the most part, I'm going to believe that that person is telling me the truth, especially if it's a mechanic that I've gone to. So even when my car was not working, I took my mechanic's word for it, and I would hop on the bus, I would take the train, I would do what I needed to do to get from A to B. Sometimes Uber, sometimes Lyft, but that, of course, can be costly, okay? Now, eventually I got my car situated, and shortly after that, my car was still giving problems, so I had to buy myself a car. I've had 2 cars in my life. My parents bought me my first, which I had for 13 years, and roughly 13 years. And then I now have my new car, which I love. That is my baby because I don't have kids. That is my baby, and I absolutely love that car. And I think I treasure it so, so much because it is something that I paid my hard-earned coin for. With that being said, I don't like asking people for ish. I do me. You feel me, okay? I want to one day buy a condo, okay? And although that's not happening tomorrow, I'm going to do it. Trust and believe me. So with that being said, I don't ask people for ish. How is this young man And this has happened more than once actually, but we're just gonna say this young man for now. This young man gonna say he could do A, B, C, D, E, and F. Offer me the world, okay? And literally bring me a city. I can buy the city myself. So do not offer me the world. I mean, I didn't ask him for ish, you know. I didn't ask him for ish. And my thing is, what did you think was going to happen then once I received this city from you? I'm left perplexed, baffled. I feel that I've been had, but I haven't been had because whatever, nothing happened and I'm just like, okay, cool. But what did this young man think he was going to get from me? You come to me, offer me the world and give me a city. That is the quickest way to turn me off. One of the quickest ways. Do not come offering the world and bring me a city. You will immediately get friend zoned. Okay? I don't know if he thought that bringing me a city was going to then make my legs open. I'm assuming he thought it was going to be like, ooh. Instead it was, no, sir. Don't do me. I am not the one. And because I am goofy, because I am silly, because I am a bit naive, sometimes I think people they take your kindness for weakness, or they try to get over on you, but I am so not the one. I am not. Okay? So I'm not sure what you thought bringing me a city was going to do, sir. What you thought? I can buy my own city. My Lord up above, my Heavenly Father, has the whole world in his hands. Praise and worship. Praise and worship. So do not. If you cannot give somebody the world, don't offer them the world. You understand me? If you can't take somebody to this fancy restaurant, and that's not even what I'm talking about, but I'm just going into that as well. If you cannot take a girl to a fancy restaurant, then don't tell her that you're going to take her to Nobu. Because you might find a young lady that doesn't need Nobu. You know what I'm saying? She might be fine with a Chili's. I don't know. I just threw Chili's out there. She might be fine with whatever, but then don't go out of your way to tell the chick that you won't take her to Nobu and you know you don't have the finances for it. That makes absolutely no sense in the world. And I'm not sure what you thought was going to happen, but I am not the one. Now, I used to be a very insecure person, and although I am still working on confidence, you got the wrong one, baby. You've got the wrong one. Do not come trying to offer me a city. Bring me a city when you offered the world. What? I can buy myself a city. My friends can buy me a city. My friends can buy me a city and would. Okay? My friends will give me the world. So I don't know where you were going with that city, but I don't want it. I don't want that. No. That was really all that I had to say today. Say what you mean what you say. Don't bring nobody the city when you offer them the world. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I opened the blinds for a little more light. And I'm up close and personal with y'all today. I'm up close and personal. That's all I wanted to say. Today was just chit chat, just rambling, just venting. That is all. Okay? So y'all take it easy. Have a good day. And that ends this video. I'll holla.